I'm going to video you while you're doing this, so just ignore this, okay?
Okay.
So you have 120, and what do you do with that 120?
Minus it.
Keep it on in a line, okay? So, because you...
I am. How much do I have to get to that?
So what do you do now?
And I still do 12 times 10.
Mm-hmm.
$120. And then minus 120.
Mm-hmm.
Eight, 5, 3. Okay. Now I still need to get to that number.
Mm-hmm. What's the biggest number that you can multiply 12 times?
10.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of 10s.
Mm-hmm. For this method, right?
Yeah. Okay. 20 minus 120 equals. Sometimes it takes a very long time, right?
That's right. Just have a little bit of patience. This is just a new method of doing this, right?
Yeah. Unless you're super fast like me and does not have patience. Okay, nope. Still higher. Okay, times 10.
Mm-hmm.
And the easy method to times 10 is you just have that same number, that this 12, and put a 0 behind it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's, again, 120. Okay. Minus 120 equals 8, 1, 1. Okay.
Now, 12, we can't use 12 times 10 because 120 is going to be more. We can't use 10. 120 is going to be more than 118, right?
Oh,
so you have to
God.
put a line through that.
Wrong.
Okay, so what would be the next big number that you could use?
Big.
We use
I'll
2,
use 5.
5, 10, and
5,
100, right? You want to use
5.
5? Okay, so what's 5 times 12?
Okay. 5, 10, 60.
Mm-hmm.
Now to count that out. Gets hard sometimes. Gotta admit.
Keep going, Gregory. So what are you going to do with that 60?
Minus 60.
Okay, very good.
But put a 0 in front of it.
Mm-hmm. That helps you keep everything lined up, huh?
Yeah. You know, there's a song at school.
Mm-hmm. Well,
About
keep
that.
going, Gregory. Let's finish
Okay.
this up, okay?
8.
Can you take...
Oh, is that what I just said?
You borrowed the... Start it over. There you go. That's all right. You were
Okay,
doing
2
great
mistakes, 2
That's all right.
scribbles.
It's not too bad. You were doing it in pen. I was going to say you're very confident because you can't have an eraser with a pen, but keep going.
Yeah, like I have. Okay, 8 minus 0. That equals 8. 1 minus 6 equals...
Hey,
Yeah,
can you
I
take
know.
6 out of
No,
1?
that
No.
equals negative 1.
So,
I mean, negative 5.
right.
Okay, so I take 1 from that. That equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
And then we get 11 minus 6.
What plus 6 equals
5.
11? There you go.
And then that's a 0.
Okay, now can we still...
50.
So now, you know that 12 times 5 is 60, but we're at
Yeah.
58. So if we're not going to use 5, we can use 2.
2.
Okay, so what's 12 times 2?
12.
Oh, don't write it on that line.
That does not count as a mistake.
That does now, because you just had it on the wrong line. That's okay. 12 times 2 equals...
24.
Very good.
24.
Okay, so you're going to put a 24 minus 24.
And then, 8 minus 4 equals 4. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
Now, we know that 12 times 2 is 24, so can we do that again?
Yeah.
Okay, so write that on your list.
This is pretty hard.
It's not really doing great. You just learned it. Okay, so go ahead now. You're going to take 24, and what are you going to do with it?
Minus 24. This is going to be easy.
Go ahead.
$10.
Now, is 10 less than 12?
Yeah.
So that's your remainder, right?
Yeah.
So, now, okay, we're an R for the remainder. Now, we need to count up
Now
what
we have
on
to
that
do
list?
all that.
Okay,
All the 10s, 5s, and 2s.
okay, so how many 10s do you have?
So 1, 2, 3, 4 10s.
That's 40.
5 ones, 45. 49.
Very good. So write 49,
49.
then put R for remainder. And what do we have as a remainder?
10.
10. There you go.
And that's our answer.
Okay, so if you took 49, multiply it by 12, that would be the closest that you could get to 598. So let me see this.
And this makes a really, 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 really scary number easy.
That's right. Because what did you do with 598? You broke it down by 10s, 5,
And
and
2s.
So was that not, how hard was that, Gregory?
Pretty hard and pretty easy.
Yeah.
At the same time.
You did good, honey. Good job.